videos and content found on this GP Pro YouTube channel are intended for procurement professionals and decision makers in the market segments that we serve. This is Joe. Joe has dirty hands. Really dirty hands. On the right, a leading orange pumice hand cleaner. On the left, Joe is using Georgia-Pacific heavy-duty industrial hand soap. As you can see, Georgia-Pacific heavy-duty industrial soap removes this dirt and oil mixture better than a leading orange pumice cleaner.
Notice one of the buckets has extra soiling around the water line, while the other does not.
GP Pro, performance at work.